I'm going to roll hem this piece of chiffon on a sewing machine because I'm too lazy to change my serger thread right now. This is what it's going to end up looking like. It looks pretty good. And this is what it starts out looking like. I'm using a universal foot with a slit in the front, as you can see. And I'm going to take the chiffon and put it back in the slit where I had it. Okay, and then here I'm going to take my zigzag to the biggest zigzag and a really small stitch. I've got it set on 1 on this machine, and you have to constantly check this machine because it tends to like to loosen up. It's a Bernina Industrial 950, which they're not making anymore, unfortunately. All right, here we go. And if I wanted to make it wavy, I could put some fishing line in here, different weights of fishing line to make it different amounts of curvy, and that's what it does. And for this, what I'm doing is I'm making an arm drape for a La Bayadere headpiece. That's it.